grant applications in the names of dead farmers, second-hand equipment being passed off as new, and non-existent projects are just some of the tactics being used to defraud taxpayers, the Department of Agriculture has claimed. Its anti-fraud unit has compiled a list of red flags found across various schemes used by farmers to get funding. In one scenario, inspectors failed to find machinery despite having been supplied with images of it at a farm. The department is also concerned about sudden spikes in the amount of land being declared by some farmers. These were just some of the issues raised by officials at a series of meetings with farm advisors and consultants in recent weeks. The department's hardening line is being driven by an increasing vigilance at European level over fraud within the multi-billion euro farm payment system. Officials highlighted moves by the European Public Prosecutor's Office, showcasing headlines of recent enforcement actions that have sent shockwaves through agriculture ministries across the continent. Police have made arrests in Greece, Spain, and Croatia, while assets have been seized from farmers in parts of Italy. In Ireland, more than €2 billion in total payments was made to farmers and fishers in 2025. Each individual advisor is, on average, submitting claims in excess of €1.5 million annually. The anti-fraud unit told them of brazen attempts to circumvent rules or commit outright fraud across various schemes. The most startling cases involved applications submitted for farmers who were no longer alive. The department found that these applications were submitted without the agents ever attempting to contact the herd owner, with documents instead being signed by a relative.